Go to Play Store and download Dingtone application. I have already downloaded and in my device. After completing the installation, go for Sign Up option. Then click Sign Up with Email option. Do not register with your mobile number. If you register with your mobile number, you cannot make any anonymous call. Open your browser and search for temporary email. Go to any site which provide temporary email service. Here I am using Crypto Gmail website. This is my temporary email which I am going to use. Now type the provided temporary email address in Sign Up option and in Name section give any name, then click Continue. Copy-paste options are not allowed here, so you need to input it manually. Now Dingtone will send you a account activation link in email. Now go to that temporary site and click the link for activation. Now your account has been activated. Initially you will get 15 points for free. Now select the country code first, then enter the desired number to make a call. You can try with your own number. When you will make a call, receiver will get a private number which is so difficult to trace. Thanks for watching.